Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Today we're here for an emergency repair on the motor vessel Milestone. So here is the repair I'm going to be working on today. That's for the garage. So I got my Ryobi die grinder and I'm gonna be cleaning out the areas and getting it ready to pack. After using my die grinder to clean out all the broken pieces, I just use a piece of 80 grit sandpaper and just feather out the edges. Feather out the edges. So there's no loose edges. Now we have the wet system all mixed up. We're going to be applying it. Really packing it in there. Get it to a Vaseline kind of consistency. Nice little paste, and you press it right in. This is mixed with 406 thickener, and you just fill it in. I'm gonna leave a little indentation so that I could go over it with some 410, but this is for strength because the screw holes goes right in here, so you need it to be strong. The 406 is definitely for strength. Nicely glazed with just a slight indentation with some 410. So tomorrow give it the corners and it's ready for primer. Now we got some the system mixed with 410, and I'm just gonna glaze it and bring it up to the surface. .410 is much easier to sand. It's not really for strength. So the 406 on the bottom is really strong stuff. You know, you could drill through that stuff, you could hang, put screws in that. But the 410 is really a fairing filler. It has no strength in it, so I'm just using the 410 for the surface. And the 406 is in the bottom. And tomorrow we will sand that, get the corners all rounded, and it will be ready for primer. So So it's all covered with some 410. Tomorrow we will do the shaping, sanding, shaping and prime. I'm gonna be sanding this repair. I'm gonna start off with 60 grit sandpaper, followed by 80 grit sandpaper, and then 120 grit sandpaper. I use a sanding block so I get everything sanded level on either sides. I got my knee pad, I got adhesive spray for my stuff. There we go. I'm using the 60 grit just to break the surface, then I'll quickly jump to the 80 grit and then to the 120. So I've sanded down to the surface. So if you look closely, there's little imperfections, little pinholes that I've got to glaze again. So I'm gonna mix up some wet system with some 410 and just glaze all the little pinholes. And tomorrow we'll be ready some putty, and it's the same wet system, mixed just like a Vaseline consistency, and you just glaze the surface to fill all the little pinholes.
Yes, she recognized her. She never made her face. She is a police captain, but I had to stop.